Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is my first video. I'm out here doing an overnighter with my buddy Houston. We served in the Marine Corps together. We've been friends since high school. You've probably seen him throughout the video before this. But I want to thank you all for tuning in. Really excited to get this YouTube career kicked off, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Sorry if you hear that chattering. I'm going to get some water right now. I'm walking down to a little spot that I probably showed on the video. But yeah, so just thanks for tuning in, guys, and once I get down to this water, we'll come back and we'll chat some more. All right guys, so I'm out here at my water source. I wanted to chat with you all and give you a little bit of my expectations for my channel and just sort of what it's going to look like, hopefully. So once again, thank you so much for watching, if you're watching right now. So my channel, I'm really looking to make sort of a bushcraft, survival, you know, just learning how to do stuff out here in the woods. And I think I'm pretty qualified to do it. I served 4 years in the Marine Corps Infantry. I really look up to some people like TA Outdoors, Joe Robinette, David Canterbury. Yeah, the list could go on and on, really. You all know the YouTubers out there. You all are watching. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping to give something new to the bushcraft scene. I really would like my channel to be something that that kids can learn from too. I think that's pretty important. Not enough kids get out and do stuff nowadays. So yeah, I'm hoping I can make that happen. Bring something new. Bring someone young. A little bit more familiar. But yeah, so that's what I'm expecting. I'm hoping for the channel, and if we can make that happen, I mean, you know, that'd be great. So with that being said, I will meet you at the camp, and we're gonna do some cooking, start a fire, and get things rolling. Alright guys, I'm here with buddy Houston. He's over here, can't really see him. But yeah man, we got our fire started and we're all good for the night. We're pretty much set up. We got our tents and tarp that you saw. Got those set up. But now we're gonna do some cooking. Not gonna lie, in getting ready for all this, trying to do the camera stuff, I forgot to bring salt and pepper for the steaks we have, so yeah, we're gonna
roughing it.
We're gonna rough it, yeah. But yeah, we got some steaks, we got some potatoes, red onion, some red peppers, or bell peppers rather. Gonna be pretty good. Alright guys, so we're out here. We almost got our food cooked up. We got some potatoes, onions on right now. We got some steak and a little bit of, sorry, I had something on the steak actually. A little bit of peppers going on. So yeah, I just want to give you all a little bit of backstory about myself and the reasons I got into camping and bushcraft and just all the things that led me to where I am right now and into making my first video. So first off, I started camping when I was about a sophomore in high school, so 2013-ish, 2012, maybe the summer of that. And yeah, I got into that. My buddy and I, we would go out, get our parents to drop us off, and we'd just go out hiking and camp out by the creek, just cowboy camp out there. Didn't really have any gear, carried like Walmart backpacks, and kind of rough it out there. It was really fun. And later on, that'll be kind of why I wanted to go back to getting into this style of camping. But afterwards, I started getting into more camping, into more backpacking, and sort of just going along with that, doing a little bit more of the bigger trips, hiking more. I kind of wanted to just see stuff. And then a couple years ago, I decided to join the Marine Corps. Actually, my buddy Houston and I, who you met, he's sitting across the fire from me. Yeah, we decided to join the Marine Corps. We joined together. I spent 4 years in the Marine Corps, was in the infantry. Yeah, so I gained a lot of life experience from that, and I really liked it. And I think that also just kind of fueled me wanting to be outside more. So that's pretty awesome. That was a real big part of it for me. And after that, I got out and I came back home, and here I am. Here I'm trying to do some bushcraft and get started in that. So hopefully my videos aren't too awkward and they work out the way I'm planning. But we'll see with the editing and how it goes along. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm hopefully somebody's out there watching it, and my friends that are supporting me and helping me out with this. Really appreciate that. And Houston, appreciate it, man, coming out here with me. I'm sure there'll be some times when I'm out here with my fiance and stuff. She's in a boot right now, so she won't be out here, but hopefully she's going to recover pretty quickly. It looks like about 1 more week and she'll be out of that thing. So you'll see her. But yeah, so thanks again. Thank you all for supporting me. And hopefully you guys enjoy my video. We're going to get some good food. We'll get some shots of us eating that and, you know, making you all jealous, even though we don't have any salt and pepper on that because I forgot to bring it. So yeah, get back to you in a little bit. Alright, so we got our food done. There it is. Our steak, some potatoes, some red onion, a bit of peppers there. I'll dig in. So, just ate our dinner, pretty good. Got some more logs on the fire. We're gonna have a little Reese's in honor of it being Halloween today, and then we're gonna hit the hay, I think. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. We got our food cooked. Got a little bit more bacon on there right now, but here it is. Dig in.